So welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see urine testing using a dipstick. This is our thing which we are going to use. First we check at the expiry date. This one is still not expired. We have our urine here for testing. So we'll get our things from here. This is how the strip look like. We are going to open the urine. We are going to put it inside. First leave it for some minutes. So then we remove. We use this thing. We do it one by one. We start with urinanogen. So we put our thing here, then we trace and we see the one which rhyme the first one. So we record, and then we come to glucose. Glucose, this is the second one. See the color which rhyme with the one which is there. So you see this one has no glucose in the urine. Then we have to bilirubin. That is the third one. You see, rhyme with the first one, which means this urine has no bilirubin. Then we come to ketones. That is number 4. We check. And then we come to blood sugar. Rhyme with number 1. Ketones, this urine has no ketone. This one has a normal specific gravity. And then we come to sugar. If we go around, there is no thing that from the other side. We come to blood in the urine. See, I mean this one has no. There is no blood in this urine. We come to pH. So this one has a normal pH. Then we come to see protein in the urine. See, it is rhyming with this color, which means that there is no protein in the urine. If a nitrate, see, is rhyming, which means nitrate is negative in the urine. Then leucocyte. Leukocyte is also negative. So you'll be moving this like this one. If you get the color which rhyme with the one which is in the stick you dip in the urine, you record if it is positive or negative. So after doing this, you record all your findings and you give to the examiner, or you write in the lab form. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.